Welcome us on Even Crypto Coin in Crypto. The version of the indicators for us for the exchange together also naturally showed up in close. With the rise in chance reserve, this increase in the spot reserve suggested that investor may have been planning to do a sell-off yesterday. Bitcoin declines below 22,000 as Coinbase deposits raise. In this news, while sharing an important US topic, this is very exciting news. Bitcoin has declined below $22,000 in the past days as on-chain data shows deposits have risen on the crypto exchange Coinbase. Coinbase exchange has risen recently, as pointed out by an analysis in CryptoQuant. Post exchange reserves have been going up recently. The exchange reserve in an indicators that measures that total amount of Bitcoin currently being stored in the wallets of a centralized exchange or a group of them. Now, when the value of this metric goes up, its main investors are depositing their coins to the exchange right now. If the platform is in question in a spot exchange, then the research showing this trend called bearish for the price of the crypto, as investors usually use spot exchanges for selling purposes. On the other hand, decreasing reserve can imply holders are withdrawing their coins from the exchange currently. Generally, holders take out their coins to cold wallets for holding onto them for extended periods. To such a trend can be bullish for the price in the long term, as it means a reduction in selling pressure for the assets. Now here is a chart now that shows a trend in the Bitcoin exchanges are especially for Coinbase and Binance, as well as that for all spot and derivative exchanges over the last couple of weeks. The different variants of the exchange serve metrics. Source CryptoQuant. The Quant posted the above chart yesterday, and it seems like at that time Coinbase Bitcoin Exchange Reserve had seen a sharp rise. Binance Reserve had also seen a small increase, but it was much less in scale compared to the inflows Coinbase observed. The version of the indicators for all spot exchanges together showing in green in the graph also naturally shot up in close tandem with the rise in Coinbase reserve. This increase in the spot reserve suggests that investor may have been planning to do a sell-off yesterday, and yesterday indeed, as it's turned out in the past day, Bitcoin has taken a 4% hit with its price losing the $22,000 level. This might confirm that the deposits were done of dumping purposes. After all, the exchange reserve for all derivative exchanges has also seen a slight raise in recent days, but the increase is likely not significant enough to cause any noticeable effects on the market. In the top chart, the one of with the data for BTC price, there are also all exchange reserve shown, which is a version of the indicators that combines the reserve for all kinds of exchanges. While these indicators has obviously trended up in the last 2 days due to the spot deposits, the metric has overall still gone down in the last 2 weeks, which suggests that that some net Bitcoin compilations has taken a place in the market. If these withdrawals were really a sign of buying, then the coin could still see a bullish if effect in the long term. BTC price at the time of writing Bitcoin is trading around $21,800, down 7% in the last week. The version of indicators of all spot exchanges together, shown in green, the graph also naturally shot up in close tandem with the rise in Coinbase reserve. This increase in the spot reserve suggests that investors may have been planning to do a sell-off yesterday, and it's turned out in the past day. Bitcoin has taken a 4% with its price losing to $22,000 level. This might confirm that the deposits were done for dumping purposes after all. Thanks for watching. I hope you will like my video. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel, Even Crypto. See you in the next video. Thank you.